Remember my first night in Bangalore? Well, this was about it. Anyway, the next day I met Tia and she made garlic bread sticks really fast. We chilled for some time and then Abhidha was in town, so I went to meet him. Post that, let me get to the part where things get fun.
Brother is chugging, bro. चोर स्ट्रीट घूमने आए थे पर
It's a ghost town right now. Like it's
I am not hammered. I am so much sober.
Shut the fuck up.
I am so much sober because I'll tell you
You're
why.
pretending to be sober.
नहीं भाई, क्योंकि किसी एक बंदे को तो सोबर होना पड़ेगा ना, ताकि हम घर ऐसे शांति से पहुंच जाए.
देखते हैं घर कितने बजे पहुंचेंगे.
About my time when my friends were there, but let's get to the part for what I came for. It was fun. The first day I dressed up. Dressing up is always nice for office whenever I do go because it's work from home also. And the auto rides are fun. Not fun when traffic comes along, but the environment of my office is good. And then going back can be a little stressful sometimes, but overall the time in my office and everything has been good. Making coffee as well. And let's get to the part of my main focus, that's been the match. This has been happening. I went out with more friends. Other than that, random talks with them.
हम रोड क्रॉस करने की
chilling.
कोशिश कर रहे हैं जैसे मैं बहुत सोबर हूँ. हमें हॉर्न मार दिया. हम रेड लाइट
कि मेरी पूरी क्लास ट्रिप मैसूर जा रही है क्योंकि मुझे 12 बजे सरप्राइज करना था और मेरी क्लास ट्रिप एक्चुअली मैसूर अब जा रही है. एक्चुअली जा रही है, सोचो.
I know the story you had mentioned before.
रिकैप दे दिया.
मैं उठी हूँ अभी, लाइक इट्स 12:40 समथिंग, बट 8 बज गए यार. बट आई स्लेप्ट एट लाइक 4. ओके, आई वॉज नॉट एबल टू स्लीप एंड आई लुक टेरिबल राइट नाउ. बट फक दैट भाई, मैं सुबह की शक्ल कैसी लगेगी मेरी. मेरे को घर वापस जाना है. आई फील दैट आई रियली वांट टू फकिंग गो होम बिकॉज आई हैव डेवलप्ड अ सिचुएशन इन माई हेड विच आई शुड नॉट हैव अबाउट समथिंग in my life that is not even happening, and I'm just khayali pulao and fucking myself over it. First question is, why would I do that? I don't know, because I am like this. मतलब everything is fine, but I have to put mentally, मतलब कुछ मेरे को ही डालना होता है ताकि मेरी लाइफ खुद ही ख़राब हो जाए. कुछ ख़राब नहीं चल रहा. I can be like very chill, happy go lucky, but no. Rachel will find something to like think about कि यार ये मेरे साथ क्यों नहीं हो रहा, ये ऐसा क्यों नहीं कर रहा, क्यों? My question is why, sister, why? I don't know, bro. Go-to outfit, and this is the depressing खाना that I'm eating. मैं तो wooden spoon use करती हूँ भाई, क्योंकि धोएगा कौन इतना यार spoon बार. You're getting what I'm trying to say. Climbing these stairs is like a death mission. I'll tell you why, okay? Because ये ऐसे हैं भाई, जगह ही नहीं है. जब तक मैं टांग यहाँ रखती हूँ, I feel as if I'm gonna fall, bro. Anyway, today is Saturday, tomorrow is Sunday. I'm a lazy person also, but मैं कपड़े लेके आई अपने, ऊपर से गंदा खाना खा के नॉर्मल. चल ठीक है, it was okay today. I won't crib about it. But yesterday, bro, the dal, it was not cooked. I'm used to worse though, so I was like, okay, fine, I can eat. I had like mad angles and slept. Okay, my food is come now. I will lay out my bed sheet and do other things. Oh my god. Okay, bye. Looking at people's happy relationship just makes me sad. It's like that feeling कि मतलब I'm not मैं नज़र नहीं लगा रही हूँ, but I just feel कि यार words नहीं होते मेरे पास. Welcome to elevator. I was talking about happy relationships. It's great for those who are in one. But I just feel I'm such a chill person to date sometimes. Every person feels that they're a chill person till the time someone actually starts dating them. But I just feel everyone has their moments. But जिन लोगों का चल रहा है, it's so great. I see it and I'm like, bro, rancho वाली feeling आती है वो 3 Idiots वाले कि अपना दोस्त कि XYZ person is so happy और फिर मैं क्या कर रही हूँ यार. इससे ज़्यादा क्या मैं पुट आउट करूँ यूनिवर्स में. Coming back to the depressing room I live in. But yeah, squeaky, yeah. This I've officially lost my mind now today, by the way. Oh no. We've come to do this for her boyfriend. My god. I feel as if I'm in college only. She was supposed to reach there right now and she's here with me doing this like this. सुनूंगी, तेरे को थोड़ा सा भी लगता है.
हाँ, फेयर होंगी.
तेरे को मैं जानती हूँ ना बहन, उसको तो जानती
बट आप उसको जान जाओगे ना फिर,
तो लेट्स सी ब्रो, अभी तो मैंने
तो मतलब वो चांस है।
नहीं, मैंने बोला लेट्स सी कि उसके साथ मेरी बात ऐसे पक्की हो रही है, मैंने उसको
अच्छा,
बोला।
बात पक्की क्या हो रही है?
मैंने
So I'm having pav bhaji. That's the only good thing about today because I've been super frustrated.
I have been frustrated because of the simple reason that लोग यहाँ पे इतने स्लो क्यों हैं भाई? I went to the shop to get something printed. Me and my friend Tia, her boyfriend Tanmay. भाई that man took an hour. That man took an hour. और फिर वो मेरे से लड़ रहा है. मैंने बोला he got two big printouts done and that was like not looking good. It was all blur and then he shifted it to the other printer and then he's like, you have to pay for that also. And I'm like, why the fuck should we pay for that, bro? Like there were blue lines in that, for heaven's sake. हम क्यों पैसे दे उसके? फिर भी I was like 50-50 करके कि like उसको 50% off पे दो भाई. मतलब we're not gonna fucking use it but we'll pay it because you like printed it out. And I am not even kidding. We went there at 7:15 and I got free 8:30. 8:30 bro, मतलब crazy बात है भाई, कितनी sad बात है ये. I got bananas, okay, and I was talking to my mom for around half an hour walking on the street and everywhere I turned लोगों ने हाथ पकड़े हुए हैं अपने एक दूसरे के साथ. भाई मैं जिधर भी मुड़ूं सिर्फ कपल्स है. फिर मैंने बोला थोड़ा आगे चलते हैं, unsafe area a little, but I went in front, okay, and over there was this guy clicking photos of his girlfriend who I think was his girlfriend, और ना भी हो, जिसे sunflowers दिए हुए थे उसने उसको. मेरे को बड़ा बुरा लगा भाई, but in the sense, okay.